Now, conductance. It is the property of conductor which facilitates the flow of electricity through it. Now, electrolytic conductance. It depends on the movement of ions. It depends on movement of ions. Now, anything which hinders the movement of ion or which stops the movement of ion is caused as resistance in the path. That is, it will decrease the conductance of that conductor, right? And the second thing, mobility of ions and number of ions. If number of ions are more, then definitely conductance will increase. And if the mobility of ion becomes fast, again the conductance will increase. So whenever we talk about the factors affecting this conductance, we have to focus on this. There are a number of factors which affect the conductance, but we have to study about concentration or dilution. They are opposite to one another. If you can understand one thing, other can be assist. Now, concentration means increase of electrolyte, that is solute, and dilution means increase of solvent, right? If you are increasing electrolyte, it means increase in number of ions. And secondly, if you are increasing dilution, it means increase in mobility of ions. Try to understand this, because if you are increasing the solvent, it means the number of ions remains same, but they are getting the more space to move ahead. So in both the cases, the conductance will increase, right? Now if we talk about the conductivity. Now what is conductivity? Conductivity is inversely proportional to resistivity, and you have read that it is 1 upon R, that is conductance, and cell constant, that is L over A. I have told you that length of conductor as well as the cross section area of conductor, once we have selected the conductor, it means this becomes constant. So we write that it is conductance into cell constant. This conductivity is the movement of ions per unit volume. Per unit volume. It means that if it depends on the number of ions also. Now, if you increase the concentration, suppose I am taking here an electrolyte and these are the number of ions produced by electrolyte. Now, if you are putting more electrolyte, that is the number of ions are increasing, then whatever is the part to be assessed, अगर मुझे ये देखना है, this is the unit volume. Now you will find that कि पहले इसमें अगर 4 आयन थे, now they have become 7. So the number of ions are increasing, right? Concentration, number of ions are increasing, so their conductivity will increase. Conductivity will increase with increase in concentration will increase the conductivity. But if we make it dilute, अगर मैं इसको डाइल्यूट कर रही होती, डाइल्यूट का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पर दिस मच इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक आयन है, अगर मैंने डाइल्यूट किया तो आई एम एडिंग द सॉल्वेंट, मैंने सॉल्वेंट बढ़ा दिया, सो दीज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट विल स्कैटर्ड, ये इधर उधर हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज द यूनिवर्स इट इज़ अ यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर है, ये सॉल्यूशन बन रहा है, तो जब हो जाएंगे. एंड नाउ अगर मुझे ये वॉल्यूम देखना हो तो नंबर ऑफ आयंस, you can say number of ions decrease per unit volume, right? So you can say conductivity decreases on dilution. दोनों में अलग कंसेप्ट है. कंडक्टेंस इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ ऑल द आयंस, ठीक है, प्रेजेंट इन दैट सॉल्यूशन, सभी आयन का. नाउ इफ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग द कंसंट्रेशन, अगेन द आयंस आर इंक्रीजिंग, and if you are making it dilute, keeping the ions same, Even then, because they are getting more space and their movement will increase, their mobility will increase, so their conductance will increase. So conductance increases on dilution, but conductance will decrease on concentration. In that case, because अगर हमारे पास वही solution है तो, because two things, number of ions as well as the mobility of ions. Now molar conductivity. मोलर कंडक्टिविटी क्या है? मोलर कंडक्टिविटी मीन्स इफ ये एक सॉल्यूशन है एंड वॉट एवर इज द वॉल्यूम V ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, वी हैव पुट ओनली 1 ग्राम मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. 1 ग्राम मोल, ग्राम इसलिए कि व्हेन मोलर मास इज टेकन इन ग्राम इट बिकम्स 1 ग्राम मोल. एंड देन द कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ ऑल आयन, अब इसने जितने भी आयन प्रोड्यूस करे हैं उनका कंडक्टेंस it comes under molar conductivity. So it is the conductivity in the volume V. Whatever is the conductivity और उस volume में जितने भी आयन है that will give you the molar conductivity. Now you know what is molarity. Molarity is equal to N upon V. N is the number of moles and V is the volume in which these number of moles are there. If you are fixed, आपको मालूम है कि मैंने तो इसमें 1 mole ही डालना है, so this will become 1 upon V. It means this volume is containing 1 mole of electrolyte for which we are talking about. Now you can write V is equal to 1 upon M. That is molarity. And if I put the value of V here, so we will get molar conductivity is equal to K upon molarity. Molarity is also a method of expressing concentration. Now molarity is number of moles, right? Number of moles per liter. That is, volume is in per liter. So this liter will be converted into cubic centimeter. So it will be written as upon molarity. This volume is because यहाँ पर हम जो यूनिट ले रहे हैं मोलर कंडक्टिविटी की, दैट विल बी कंडक्टिविटी एंड दिस. अगर मुझे कंडक्टिविटी की जो यूनिट लेनी है दैट इज दिस इनवर्स and centimeter inverse, then I have to take this volume into cubic centimeter. So I have multiplied it by 1000. and फिर आप इसमें मोलैरिटी की फिर कर लोगे अगर, तो मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू मोल इनवर्स, राइट, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. ऊपर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर आएगा बिकॉज हमने इस लीटर को क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया है. अब इसको अगर आप यूनिट करो, कभी भी आप यूनिट भूल जाओ तो यू कैन फाइंड आउट लाइक दिस, ये आपकी यूनिट हो जाएगी. बट दिस इज नॉट द एसआई यूनिट. इफ यू हैव टू टेक द एसआई यूनिट तो आपको फिर दिस सेंटीमीटर शुड बी टेकन इन मीटर, राइट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इनटू क्यूबिक मीटर में लेना होगा, फिर मीटर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन गेट दिस फॉर्मूला. नाउ इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टिविटी. Equivalent conductivity in the same way. Now you have to take a container with electrolyte जिसमें V volume में we are having 1 equivalent mole of electrolyte. Equivalent mole, right? And this you can say that it is the conductivity of all the ions produced in the solution by volume V. इस V वॉल्यूम में जितने भी होंगे इन आयंस, लेकिन ध्यान क्या रखना है कि 1 इक्वलेंट मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट रख रहे हो. एंड इक्वलेंट मोल के कंसेप्ट में यू नो नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल टू N अपॉन V. N क्या है? इक्वलेंट मोल्स हैं. सो यू आर टेकिंग 1 एंड इन दैट केस V विल बिकम 1 अपॉन N, दैट इज नॉर्मेलिटी. जैसे आपने मोलर कंडक्टिविटी का किया वैसे ही दिस विल बिकम दिस K upon normality. This is again one method of expressing concentration, and this will become 1000 K upon normality, right? Normality. But you very well know that normality is equal to n factor into molarity. So if you will find the this relation between the molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. Molar conductivity क्या है बेटा? Molar conductivity is K 1000 upon molarity. Whereas equivalent conductivity is K into 1000 into normality, right? तो ये कट जाएगा and normality is equal to N molality. So you will get molar conductivity is equal to N factor equivalent conductivity. Thank you.